Hello there, my name is Henri Salle. I am the grandpa of Nicolas that you see on the video. We are going to demonstrate for you the latest expertise in the kite flying business, the fishing rod control. As you can see, Nicolas is controlling the kite with a fishing rod. Hey, that's fun! Nicolas likes it. The fishing rod is much easier to use than those cheap plastic handles which always tangle up the string of the kite. Try it one day and have fun yourself. By the way, today is the 3rd of January 2009, and nothing beats the California weather. Here we are back to the kite. How does it work, Nicolas?
I tie it onto the handle on a kite.
Does it
Somehow we have an airborne handle.
Where?
And a fishing.
Wow, look at how far it is. It's incredible. So that was a good idea to take the fishing rod, huh?
Yeah.
How like it? How do you like it?
I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Let me try to focus on that. And now, please meet Grandma. All three of us wish you the best for 2009.